Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Harika. So today I'm going to share something which is very close to my heart. Adi na journey, and this is the video today. It's about I'm talking about, and that is na journey from a corporate employee, corporate job nunchi to become the owner of my fashion brand, that is the Harika Couture. So this is the video about, and ఈ జర్నీ అయితే ఈజీ కాదు, బట్ ఇట్ taught me a very beautiful things in this journey. So let's go into the video. So coming to my corporate life journey. So after completing my MBA in finance, I have started my career as transaction monitoring to quality analyst to like fraud and risk investigator till now. So ఇది నా around 6+ years journey in corporate life taught me many things, just like discipline, punctuality, professionalism, and especially patience. So but somewhere else I used to feel inside something is missing. So నా ప్యాషన్ అనేది అయితే ఫ్యాషన్లో ఉండేది. సో కాలేజ్ టైంలో కూడా నా ఫ్రెండ్స్తో చెప్పేదాన్ని, ఇలాగా పెట్టుకోవాలి, ఇలా పెట్టాలి, ఇలా డిజైన్ చేయాలి అనేసి. సో every time I used to see fabrics, designs, sarees like that. So I used to feel one day I should create my own brand. So last few years I'm designing for myself. So last year seriously I was thinking, and suddenly I questioned myself, if not when. So that's how the idea was created of and the Harika Couture was born. And firstly I have started with very small investment, with few sarees with and few simple designs, and slowly I have uploaded in Meesho and shared with my family and friends. So and one day I got an first order. It felt like wow. And I think dreams come true even if start small. If even we take a small step also, if we start small also. So and in this after the Harika Couture was started, so many things I learned and still learning. ఈ జర్నీలో ఒకటి పెద్దది తెలుసుకున్నానండి. సో దట్ ఈస్ యూ డోంట్ నీడ్ టు క్విట్ యువర్ జాబ్ ఆర్ స్కిప్ యువర్ జాబ్ టు ఫాలో యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్. So start with small, believe yourself, be consistent, be patient, stick to your dreams, stick to your points. So because every big story or big dream starts with one small step. So yes, this is my small yet special journey. ఇంకా చాలా థింగ్స్ షేర్ చేయాలి with you all. So I can't share all the things in one video. So I want to share in like series episodes. So this is my first episode. So ఇంకా చాలా ఎపిసోడ్స్ కమింగ్ సూన్ అండి. So if you like my story, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as well as please like, share and subscribe to the Harika Couture channel also. So thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.